So Andrew was freaking out. He sent a message in the group, completely panicked. Yo, what is this charge? 2211 North 1st Street, San Jose, CA just took $29.99 from my account. I didn't buy anything from San Jose. Now, at first I thought, okay, maybe it's just a small purchase he forgot about. But then he said something that made it clear this was trouble. I've never even been to California. Yep, that's when I knew this was about to be a journey. So I told him, first things first, check if he recognizes the amount. Maybe it's something familiar, just under a weird name, but no, he had no idea where it came from. Next, I told him to check his bank's website. Sometimes they list extra details about the merchant. Still, nothing. At this point, we had to dig deeper. I pulled up Google and searched for that address. Turns out, 2211 North 1st Street in San Jose is commonly linked to PayPal transactions and online subscriptions. Andrew, I asked, have you bought anything through PayPal recently? And then, silence. You could almost hear the gears turning in his brain. Oh, wait, he said. I signed up for a free trial last month. There it was, the classic free trial that isn't actually free move. Now, if you've ever been hit with one of these surprise charges, you know the frustration. 1 minute, you're thinking, cool, a free trial, and the next, your bank account is missing $29.99, so I walked him through the fix. First, he had to cancel the subscription before it could charge him again. If you've ever dealt with PayPal subscriptions, you know they hide those things deep in the settings. But here's how you do it. 1, log into PayPal. 2, go to Payments, Automatic Payments. 3, find the subscription and cancel it. 4, then, if they never warned you before charging, file a dispute for a refund. Andrew followed the steps, canceled the subscription, and filed the dispute. Now, while we were waiting to see if PayPal would refund him, someone in the group joked, if only there was an easy guide on how to handle these credit card messes. And that's when I had to bring up the DIY guide to resolving unauthorized credit card charges. Look, I recommend this ebook bundle for a reason. I've sent so many people to it, and they always come back thanking me. Why? Because they not only fix these kinds of credit card issues, but they also increase their credit scores, get higher credit limits, and avoid sneaky charges like this altogether. If you're tired of getting blindsided by random transactions, grab the ebook bundle now. Links in the description. A few hours later, Andrew came back with good news. PayPal refunded him. He dodged the bullet, but I told him the real lesson here. Always set reminders for free trials, or better yet, just read the ebook and avoid these problems completely. So, if you've ever seen a weird charge on your bank statement, don't panic. Just investigate. And if you want to handle these things like a pro, click the link in my description and grab the ebook bundle. It's saved so many people from financial headaches, and trust me, it'll do the same for you. Get it now before another sneaky charge catches you off guard.